Hi friends, in this video we'll see how we can export data into Excel file in Angular application. For many reasons we need to export data into PDF, Word document or Excel file for different purposes in the application. So here we will follow the same step which I have posted in the article over jasonworld.com. You can check the blog link in the description, and now we will follow the same step I have done here and try to achieve the same task. So at first we here you can see I have created a basic app with the CLI command, and the same I have already done with. So you can see it's a basic app here running, and it's on terminal. We can see here the app running. Now the next thing is to install the needed package. The needed package is XLSX. So I copy it from here and I install it here. Now meanwhile we can see that we have list of dummy users. So here you can see I have used dummy list of data. I am not to show you the main thing which is required here. So I have not used any server side stuff. So I'll copy the same list of users over here and I'll paste it into the TS file. So here I have pasted the list of users, you can see here, and the same I will render into the template, and the same will be exported into the Excel file. Okay, so now let's see what is the next task here. So now the next task is to update the listing part. So in the listing part you can see we have at the top we have a button saying export to Excel, and below that we have the render part where we have just rendered the list of dummy users. So here I just copied the template stuff and I am pasting it into the app.component.ts file. So the rendering part is done. Now in the TS file the next task is to import the installed package. So you can see that the package has been installed, and now I'll start the server. You can start, and after that in TS file we need to define a function export actual method which will actually do the main stuff here. So at first we need to import the package into our TS file. The top I did the same, and now here we need to define the name of the file. So here we will define whatever it can be, whatever you want, so you can make it as per choice. I have just made it simple. Okay, so here it's excel file.xlsx. You can make it as per your choice. And now the next thing is to define the method which will actually perform the task for converting the data into the Excel file. So you can see in the template part here we have a button which will be called after clicking on this button, and after calling of this button we are getting the data from this ID. So you can see this ID has been defined over this table here, ID. So reference the content is being picked using this ID. So it is it should, the ID at the both place should be same. So here we got the entire element with the data, and after that this is a 3 lines code which is mainly doing all the job for us. So we don't need to go into deeply, so we just whatever we defined here, like columns and the data, the same will be generated into the Excel file. Nothing to do here. So everything is being performed from here only, from this table. Okay, so now let's save the file and check over the browser. So I saved the file, and here you can see we have just list of dummy users, 5 users we defined in our app, and here at the top we have a button, and let's see, I click on this button and let's see what happens. So here you can see the file has been downloaded here, and if you click on this file, then let's see what happens. So you can see we have ID, name, username and email, and the same here we have ID, name, username and email. and here we have 5 records, and the same we can see over the file. 1 2 3 4 5. So it's a very basic 3 or 4 line code which is doing the complete job for us. So I found this one of the easiest way for exporting data into Excel format. So that's pretty easy for performing into Angular side. I have also posted article for performing the same task at the Node.js end, so you can check the same over the blog on jserval.com. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.